YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and I got my sister Dorsey in the house, and we just like, I'm gonna have some slime, and it's a little messed up, so I'm gonna put it out on the table, and we're gonna have some baby powder, and we're gonna see who can fix the slime as the most. Then after this challenge, we're finna do the switch up challenge. We're gonna have my brother, which is right here. We're gonna have,
hello guys.
We're gonna have him to get the stuff ready, and we're gonna have some little stuff, tomatoes and stuff, and then that's what he's going to be doing. But not right now.
Okay.
So there.
So smush it up, like flat it down.
You want some powder?
Just a little.
Woo! I want to see if it's gonna make it better. Stop! Leave hers alone.
Ooh, why it's so sticky? Stop!
Get from the water.
It's
It
all
should
on my
make it
hand.
stop.
It should make it a little better.
Yeah.
Is y'all ready for me to get stuck here?
No.
Just
Just on this video.
Okay, so, or you could put some Skittles in it.
No.
Then it'd be all on my hand. Look, Juanito. I'll put some more powder. Need some more powder? I need a little more. Oh. Doors, you gotta do it.
Stop. Go ahead, she got it.
See, this how you actually do. And then it's gonna be okay, so I think it's enough to make it a little better, but
I need some of this. And I'm gonna beat it in.
okay.
I'm gonna need some of yours. Okay, now give me the slime and then put it back in a container.
Okay.
And then
Okay, now we gotta go. I gotta go wash my hands.
Yeah. Okay, and then we're right here with the dish and stuff. And then I'm gonna like this little dish. Keep
Keep trying to water on me.
And then I'm gonna put the water.
So,
Put it in there and that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on. See, we washing our hands, and we did the video inside. Just I want to give you no money. Nope. And I'm gonna be looking at camera.
no! I'm sorry.
So now we need to wipe the table off, and then we're gonna do
The next. And then after we wash the table off, we're gonna do the next video, and we're gonna retake this stuff. I guess we're gonna do the switch up challenge with the food. Y'all dare me to drink this?
Shut up.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna let this Bob look at it.
You in our video though.
Okay, so that's it for today, and I think that the slime got a little more like batterish than what it was at first. So bye guys, hope to see you next time. Sis versus bro doing another challenge. I mean sis versus sis doing another challenge. We got my big brother handing out the stuff, and then we got rewards like we're gonna be having tennis shoes, subscribe, and I will be handing it out. And on next Monday, I will be shouting out names for the people who subscribe and went to my channel. Bye guys.
Bye.
Peace.